Wala nang mas Pinoy at mas gaganda pa sa mga parol. Perfect ang featured product natin ngayon para sa inyo. Madiskarte moms, Dayan Medina here, and welcome to Dayan Reviews powered by PLDT Homebiz. Mga mommies, malapit na naman ang Pasko. I'm sure, gaya ko, nag-iisip na kayo ng magandang decoration for your homes. Aba, perfect ang featured product natin ngayon para sa inyo. But first, click like and share and subscribe to Madiskarte Moms PH YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell para updated kayo lagi whenever we will release new videos. Wala nang mas Pinoy at mas gaganda pa sa mga parol. Ito ang featured product natin today from KaParol.ph. Alam nyo, sinimulan ni Mommy Jen Policarpio ang kanyang parol business in 2018, inspired by her cousin na isang parol maker din sa Bulacan. She now sells good quality and super affordable parol gawa sa authentic capiz, shell, and fiber. O mga mommies, meron kasi tayong 3 types of parol. Meron tayong tala parol, star parol, at ang ating poinsettia parol. It ranges from 19, 24, 32, 40, and 48 inches. It comes in 2 variations. Pwede po kayong pumili kung colored or puti. Gawa ang mga parol na ito from capiz material that gives that unique and authentic Filipino Christmas vibe. Ang mga presyo po nito ay very affordable. It ranges from 1,800 pesos hanggang 2,800 pesos, mga mommies. Depende na yun kung ano po ang gusto ninyo or yung preference ninyong design o yung laki ng ating mga parol. We also have the lantern series. Ito po ay set na ng 10 pieces with 5 meters long wire at kasama na rin ang bulb. So option po yan if ang gusto nyo ay fiber of capiz material that comes in various designs. Pwede kayong mamili. Meron tayong poinsettia balls, bells, and square. So, iba-iba po yung mga sizes niyan and shapes. It also comes in different colors. Pwede po kayong mamili ng plain or yung various colors naman. It's also customizable ang mga lantern series natin. So, if you wanna buy a dozen, so 12 pieces po yan o kalahati lang, 6 pieces at gagawin po nila yon. This is really perfect, no, because they can actually customize or personalize depending on your preference, design, and size. Ang mga price ranges ng ating lantern series ay 1,300 pesos hanggang 1,800 pesos per set. So, ganun siya ka-affordable. Our next item is the tree topper. Ito naman po ay made from capiz material. As you can see, it's very sturdy. Ang ganda talaga nung design niya. So this one has LED light inside. As you can see, this is how it looks like. LED light na po ang ginagamit para matipid, mga mommy, sa kuryente at safe pa. So this one also comes in various sizes depending po on your preference. So yan, isusukat nyo lang siya, mga mommies, kung anong kakasya sa inyong Christmas tree. Ang presyo po nito ay nagsisimula sa 400 pesos. But the one I'm holding right now, this one is actually 600 pesos. So again, depende po sa laki ng kailangan po ninyo. So check out their Facebook page at KaParol.ph, and you can also order their products via Lazada and visit their bazaar at Builders Tungko, SJDM Bulacan every weekends. Add more lights and life to your homes this Christmas with KaParol.ph. For more side hustle and online home businesses, don't forget to visit the Madiskarte Moms PH group on Facebook at sumali na rin po kayo sa aming community of Madiskarte Moms. Once again, my name is Dayan Medina Illustre and this is Dayan Reviews powered by PLDT Homebiz. Maligayang Pasko po! Mwah!